This is amazing. From UrbanLifetime.com, stainless steel razor holder. Incredible price, sustainable stainless steel. It has a self-sticking adhesive on the back, or you can use your own adhesive. You can pick up a couple of these. Incredible stainless steel razor holder. Look at that price. That is fantastic. This is so useful. I've not seen these around. Delivery is free direct to you with the stainless steel razor holder from UrbanLifetime.com. As always, live life well today with the stainless steel razor holder from UrbanLifetime.com.